Hi, my name is Todd Wimmer. I'm with WEG Motor Group, and I'm here today to talk to you about AEGIS shaft grounding rings. AEGIS shaft grounding rings provide peace of mind for your motor drive applications because variable frequency drives, with their pulse width modulation, they can create what we call common mode voltage. And stray voltages will look for a place to go to ground. When they go to ground, oftentimes they can go to ground through the bearing system, causing fluting or degradation of the actual bearing, making it fail prematurely. What AEGIS does is it has thousands of little microfibers that take that voltage and run it to ground before it can get to the bearings. I've got a great story that I had here. We're at the AHR Expo, by the way, here in Chicago. 16 years ago, I had a project that I did downtown here in Chicago, and we had a problem with shaft voltages causing problems with a very large project. We had 30 horsepower and 60 horsepower supply and return fans where we had degradation because of the variable frequency drive being applied and not properly having the system grounded. So what took place is we had to take out all those big motors and provide shaft grounding rings. And since that took place, those motors are continuing to run, and it's been a great story about the AEGIS capabilities and what they've developed in their technology. When you go to use variable frequency drives and electric motors to give yourself complete peace of mind, what WEG has done is we have the AEGIS already installed inside the motor, and we do that from the small open drip product and the fractional side all the way up to the TEFC and open drip proof up to 150 horsepower. Those are located in our catalog, and it's something that comes as standard and give you peace of mind when you're applying variable frequency drives to the WEG motors. Thank you so much.